Which Indian tennis player won the men's double title at the Chile Open 2025? Option: Ritvik Choudhary, Bollupalli. Next question. In which among the following years was the Hindu widow remarriage declared legal in India? Answer: 1856. Next question. Annapurna Devi is associated with which of the following musical instrument? Sarbahar. Next question. Which of the following rights to mention in the Article of 21 right to freedom, protection of life and personal liberty? Next question. లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్కి అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఫోర్ రిజిస్టర్ ఆఫ్ ఈక్వల్ ఆర్ ఈచ్ కనెక్టెడ్ ఇన్ వేరియస్ పాసిబుల్ వేస్ both in series or parallel different combination. Which of the following is the values cannot be achieved by the using all four register? ఓకే, ఆన్సర్ చేయండి, దీనికి కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, ఆప్షన్ 2 ఆర్ థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇండియన్ won its first Olympic gold in hockey in which of the following year? 1928. Next. Who among the following has said all men are my children and just as I desire? Happiness is the world. Next. So also I desire to all men. Evarante Ashoka. Option number 2. Next question. Which of the following factors is the main reason for the peninsular rivers to the flow towards east? Eastern Ghats are lower than the western. Next question. India is the biggest producer as well as the largest consumer and importer of which of the following crops? Option number pulses. Next question. Which of the following statement is correct about the civil disobedience movement? Option number 2. The movement received massive business support. Next question. The plasma of blood contains which among the following constituents? Proteins, salt, hormones. మూడు కాంబినేషన్. Next question. Which film directed by Kiran Rao has been nominated for the Japan Academy Film Prize 2024? Lapatata Ladies. The remains of Great Bath have been found from the excavation at the following Harappan city: Mananjar. Sakeva is a religion festival celebrated by the Kirat Kombu Rai community. Which of the following state? Ante Goa. Which of the following are the major objective of governments engaged in the budgetary process in India? Option A and B. రెండు ఆప్షన్లు. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. అకార్డింగ్ టు సెన్సస్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా 2011 most people had migrated from two other states in India. Uttar Pradesh. The Pir Panjal range is located in the structurally the Great Himalayas is an Lesser Himalayas. National Institute of Monitoring and Advantageous Sports is located in which state? Arunachal Pradesh. Next question. Who is the received Sangeet Natak Award Ushad Bismillah Khan? Abhanti Chakravarti and Sukracharya Raba. Next question. Ashokan inscription of Afghanistan are written in Aramaic and Dash Greek. Next question. Who among the following is the worshipped as Natarajan before the many classical dances? Shiva. Option. Next question. Which of the following pollutants responsible for the acidification of oceans? Option number carbon dioxide. Okay, next question. the Shuddhi movement to reconvert to Hindu fold the converters to others religions was Arya Samaj. Planets observe dissolve nitrates from soil and convert them free nitrogen. Next question. Who raised the slogan of Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? And Bala Gangadhar Tilak.